Hi everyone, and welcome to another installment of our Shizman How-To instructional videos. In this video, we're going to be covering introducing a resolution to the docket. So, before the conference, when the chair receives all the resolutions that delegates have written, the chair chooses a docket for each topic, usually consisting of between 4 to 6 resolutions. And these are the resolutions that get debated initially at the conference. But this isn't where the work stops, because delegates, whenever they see the views of other delegates expressed in the form of resolutions on the docket, or just that they discuss with other delegates in unmoderated caucuses, they realize that there are ways in which they can work together with other delegates to create the best solutions possible. So as a result, new resolutions, usually called super resolutions, resolutions that have more than one author, are formed and are written. And once these resolutions are written, they also need to be formally added to the docket in order to be able to receive a vote once the committee goes into voting procedures. So to introduce a resolution is a motion that you need to do in order to get your resolution onto the docket. The new resolution has got to be signed by 25% of the delegates present in the committee before it can be considered. Again, signatories don't actually have to support the resolution. All they have to do is want to see it debated in committee. These delegates are known as signatories. So once you get that 25% of delegates who are actually present in committee, who are there and participating, you can make a motion to introduce a resolution. The introduction of a resolution is debatable. The chair is going to take seconds and opposition to introducing a resolution, but taking seconds in this case just means that the chair is going to look over the signatories and make sure that there are enough, and that counts as seconding, and then take opposition. And then if there is opposition to introducing the resolution, there will be a 2 pro, 2 con debate on whether or not to introduce the resolution. And after that, a vote is going to be held on whether or not to actually introduce the resolution to the docket, and it just takes a simple majority vote to pass. And if it does pass, the resolution is added to the docket, and the author or authors will receive author's rights, which will move them to the top or near to the top of the speaker's list, so they'll quickly get an opportunity to explain what's involved in their resolution. I hope this explanation has been helpful. What you're going to see next is a demonstration from the Shizman staff showing how introducing a resolution actually works in practice. Thanks for listening.
Are there any points or motions on the floor at this time? Nepal.
Lawrence Hubbard, Nepal. I move to introduce the working paper on the table offered by Nepal.
That motion is in order, delegate. The co-chair will now read the working paper. Okay, thank you, co-chair. Seeing as this resolution has the required number of signatories, it is automatically seconded. Is there any opposition to introducing this resolution? Seeing none, this working paper is now introduced as Resolution UNFEC-A-4.